Hey guys, welcome back to another amazing video. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can use bot AI and which one is better, ChatGPT or bot. But before we begin, make sure to hit that subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. Alright guys, so let's get started. Now ChatGPT is a great AI chatbot that you can use to get answers to your questions. You can even talk to it if you want and have a conversation. Similarly, Bot AI is also a chatbot created by Google to complete other chatbots and provide a better experience to its users by using such bots. First of all, open up a browser of your choice and search for ChatGPT in the new tab. Open the first site that pops up at the top and you'll see this type of interface. Here what you have to do, you'll need to log in with your account or just create an account if you don't have. Again, open a new tab and search for bot AI. Now open the first site and again log in with your account. For starters, we'll go with the bot first. I'll write a prompt write a script on how to install Windows 11. After that, I'll copy the same prompt and I'll use it on the ChatGPT. You can see that the ChatGPT kind of starts writing in real time, but Bot AI takes up to 2 to 3 seconds to generate the results altogether. If you notice, the script on Bot AI is a lot more simple, short, and has a heading and subheading, meaning it is well organized. But on the other hand, ChatGPT is a detailed script with all of the essential points. I think the script on ChatGPT is better because it is more detailed, but it doesn't have anything like tips at the end, which you cannot include in the script. But for the short videos, I would go for the bot script. Now, we'll try another prompt and let's go with write a song about trucks. You can see that the bot gives the answers in one go. And now I'll copy the same prompt and paste it into the ChatGPT. And you can see that the lyrics that ChatGPT wrote are far more better than the bot by just reading the first few lines. So I'll give the point to ChatGPT. Now for the final part, recommend some best places to visit, and I'll paste the exact prompt in the ChatGPT. You can see that the results Bot AI presented are far more interactive and lively with detailed explanation, whereas ChatGPT simply presented a list. Inside Bot, you can see that there is also a link to Google to search for same prompt or interact to get some suggestions from there too. And I think that's a nice touch. In my opinion, both of the chatbots are good in their own ways. It also depends upon the user. If you want an interactive and simple answer, you can go for Bot AI, and if you want a detailed answer, then you can obviously go for ChatGPT. And that's it. That's all for today's video, guys. Hope you liked the video. I'll be meeting you in the next one. See you soon. Bye.